If everything goes well, we will feel that we are so strong to deal any situation. So it is very easy to be mentally strong. But when we get a problem, we will end up in stress and depression. So it is not that easy to come out of that. Find the best ways to make ourselves strong. If your mentality is strong, your willpower will become strong as well, so that you can achieve anything in life. We pick up the common behaviors that hold us back in life and also how to avoid those behaviors from the book of 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do, written by Amy Morin. We go to the gym to build up our physical muscles, but we haven't yet thought about mental strength, which is the real key to our more productive and meaningful life. Now we will discuss about those things which makes us mentally strong. Don't dwell on the past. The mistakes which we have done in the past sometimes can make us feel shame or anger. Some examples are love failure, bad memory, loss in business, or any other personal problems. Most of the people feel regret about those and they wish to rewind the time and correct those. But you have changed totally now. Still thinking about the past will definitely lead to depression in your life. So know your past mistakes but don't dwell on the past as it impacts your future and present life. How can we overcome this? No need to think about the past which was already happened and we can't change that. Learn the lessons from past mistakes. Think about future which is in your hand and move forward with positive vibes. Don't see others as your competitors. Most of the people always think about others more than themselves. Once think about it, comparing with others or thinking about others' success won't change our life. So don't see others as your competitors. Instead of feeling jealous, we just concentrate on our life goals and make others think about our success. This is a simple secret mentally strong people follow. Don't give up after the failure. In order to get anything, we need to concentrate on our work. In any kind of work, we may encounter failure. If we fear about that simple failure, we cannot able to reach success. With increasing our attempts and efforts, we can perform better when doing next time. So don't give up for the first failure. The best example is we all know that Thomas Alva Edison invented the electric light bulb, but he didn't give up though he failed many times in his invention. He also failed many other inventions prior to bulb invention. Thomas Edison considered every failure as a lesson to learn something from it. Whatever happens, do not lose hold of two things, hope and faith. Because failure don't come when you fail, it only comes when accepted. So never ever give up. Don't feel bad about alone time. Most of the people don't like to stay alone. When they stayed, there is a major chance to go into depression, even don't want to think about others. So how to overcome this feeling? Many people think that they are alone and wasting the time being alone. But actually, there are many benefits of it. When being alone, we can even think better in order to get good ideas of making things easier. It could be office work, searching jobs, and any other personal things. Even we can do the meditation in order to get positive vibes. You know, mentally strong people don't fear about staying alone because they spend the time about thinking their future goals. analyzing the path to move forward. So they love to have a space to think and don't feel to avoid loneliness. Don't think about immediate results. In our world, nothing comes immediately. So many people expect immediate results and even try other ways to get those things to happen immediately. For example, two people are preparing for entrance exam for their future career path. They haven't get the best rank in the first attempt. The first person decide to prepare much harder in order to get a good rank on the second attempt. The second person decided to copy in the exam in order to get the good rank. At the last, the second person got the immediate result of debarring from the exam. So we have to keep one thing in our mind, that nothing comes easily or on the first attempt. 13 things mentally strong people don't do. Strong people don't feel any woes. Don't focus on things which we can't control. Don't repeat the same mistake. Need not to waste our time in feeling sorry for ourselves. Don't give away your power. Change is not a bad thing. No need to worry about pleasing everyone. Don't fear about calculated risks. Don't dwell on the past. Don't see others as your competitors. Don't give up after the failure. Don't feel bad about alone time. Don't think about immediate results.